How to fix Aldi USA app not working? Let's get started. So for that, first of all, completely close the app and then open up settings. Inside here, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Now search for Aldi app and then tap onto it. Now tap on upload app, then tap on upload app one more time. Now once you've done it, you can simply tap on reinstall app. This refresh the app without deleting your data and can fix common bugs or corrupted files. If the issue continues, make sure that your internet connection is stable and check the App Store for available updates to Aldi US app. You can even restart your iPhone as this can fix temporary software glitches. If none of these work, the problem may be temporary server issue. In that case, you will need to wait until their team resolves the issue. That's it guys, thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.